Hi guys, I am Anirudh
And I am Amaya.
and welcome to Random Crafts, and today I am going to show you guys how to make a stress ball with only a few balloons, a pair of scissors and some all-purpose maida flour. You can use even rice. If you want harder you can use rice. We are using maida because it is more fine. So let's get directly into the video. First we should blow the balloon and twist it like this so the air doesn't leak out. Then we should fix the top of the balloon on the top of the cap just like this, and we should let go of the balloon. So the balloon will become straight over here. Then we should flip the bottle upside down and squeeze so that all of the flour falls inside the balloon, as you can see. Then should take off this and let go of all the air inside the balloon. Now as all the air of balloon has escaped from inside, you should cut this part. You should check till where the flour is there and cut it. Now as you can see, the flour is only filled till this end. Now this is our really stress ball. So for this you should cover this. So you take another balloon and blow it. So we should take the balloon of the same color. We don't have two greens, so we are using these two red balloons. Then you should take the balloon and cut it about over here. Then put your 4 fingers inside this balloon. 8 of the fingers, not really 4. Then cover the top with this thing. And as you can see, the floor is completely sealed inside this. There's a little hole over here. Cut this over here. For patch this hole, we can again use another red balloon. Cut this over here. Put your 4 fingers inside this and catch the balloon and cover the balloon. Now it's the complete stress ball. We should cut it, the extra, we should cut it over here. Now we should take another balloon contrasting to the color of this and cut a lot of holes in the balloon just like this. I cut one over here, one at the middle and many other at the edges. Then we should hold this open and fix it on the balloon just like this. So it gets a little design, and again the excess you can cut it off. So after everything, the small stress ball looks like this, just like a soccer, football. Then we can do anything with it. We can press it, change it into any shape like this, change into any shape. This is very flexible and soft, and it can completely relieve your stress. You can again roll it into a ball. This can be also used for juggling. I don't know juggling, so basically I can do it. So I think that's gonna wrap up this video. If you like this video, be sure to drop a like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and we'll see you guys in another random craft video.